somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach out, cause side no be life. Sister, sister, all the spinkster. Brother, brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life.
Savior.
Chibuzo. What is it? Please, I am not in a good mood.
Is everything fight? Eh? Zukwanike, calm down now. I just want to ask you a question. Eh? I heard you're the one who brought Jacob some muffins.
And so? And so what? You want to be the only one serving that your alone mama boyfriend, but you have stolen Ashorkor from me.
Come, it's not like that. I just want to know who bought him the muffins.
And why do you want to know? Why?
I'm curious, that's all.
Well, I'm not telling you.
Savior, I beg now, eh?
Madam, see, listen to me. What customers order for each other is none of your business.
Oh.
It's not your business.
Oh, that's the case, but everything else is you and Jane's business, Abby.
Exactly. Jane and I. Abi, you said you are concommerade. So you don't like gossiping. Don't bother. Do not bother. I won't worry your ears with it. So, please, leave me alone.
Savior, I beg now.
Oh, Chibuzo.
Chibuzo.
I don't care. I have work to do. Now I have to do more because you have stolen my precious Ashorkor. So, just leave me alone, okay?
Now for you. Now for you.
Now for your mouth.
Jacob.
Malik, I'm sorry I didn't see you there.
Back at working on the novel?
No. I'm just thinking about some things.
You know what? I think you're dealing with a lot at once and carrying burdens you shouldn't be carrying at your age. Jacob, you don't have to do this alone. Especially if you're going to add others to yours.
Trust me, I wish it was that simple. But there is a lot you do not know about.
I wish I understood, but I hope you make the right decisions.
I hope so too.
Are you sure about this?
Goldfinger won't have any idea unless I want him to know.
So what's the plan?
You're going to earn his trust. Convince him to take you on as a dealer and sell it at twice the price.
So you want me to risk my life so you can hustle your boss?
I'm the one you're talking to. Look, we'll show your worth as a distributor and earn his trust. He will get you into the inner circle, then we'll get him out of the picture and run the empire.
So after everything is done for you, you will turn your back on him like that?
You can't be a deputy forever. Look, you can't get into this kind of business unless you're ready to stab a few people in the back.
Why would you choose me for this job?
Because I can't think of anybody more devious than you.
You should look in the mirror more often. I mean, as long as you keep your end of the bargain.
I'm the one you're talking to.
That's why I'm asking.
I didn't expect you to go according to the plan. But I didn't expect you to stir up problems for me. What were you thinking?
What do you mean? I'm doing my part of the plan. I'm proving my value to Goldfinger.
By making him suspicious of me? Listen, there are only 3 people who regularly know about his whereabouts. Himself, his driver, and me. Of course he'll get suspicious of me.
I should have told you before going to meet him.
No. You were not supposed to meet him that day. Look, we had a plan. This was not part of it.
I know what the plan was. But earning his trust would need something big.
So, Tell me your plan.
Create an idea that there's a mole within his organization. Tell him who the mole is and earn his trust.
And who is this mole supposed to be?
That's where you come in. You find somebody within the organization that fits, and I deliver them to Goldfinger.
That's not a bad plan. But it would be nice to know about it first, you know?
Your genuine shock sells it better. Trust me, things are still going according to plan.
Mistakes can cost us our lives with what we're doing. We can't act rashly.
I understand.
We'll meet at the drop-off location.
What time?
Midnight. No changes. We keep up the act.
All right.
All right.
Good afternoon, Ashorkor.
Hi. Where is Chibuzo?
She's at the counter.
Great. You know what to do.
I...
Move along. Savior. Savior. Savior.
Your madam is in.
Savior.
Chibuzo, please! I have work to do, please.
What for you? Now what for you? Here you go. Well, today you got the service right, but I don't want this. I'm sorry? I'd like to have some tea today. Oh, I didn't know. Of course you wouldn't. I mean, is it not your duty to find out the orders of your customers before you serve? Is that not what's normally done? I'm sorry, Ash. Let me be kind and taste it. Let's see if you remember how to make my tea. You're getting better by the day. And so for your reward, I will drink this coffee. Thank you, Ash. But you would still have to get me my cup of tea before I leave. Is that okay? Yes, Ash. Ash. Everywhere, Ash. Too much Ash. In my eyes, I'm going to get blinded. Stop with the Ash, Ash. Okay. Where are you going? I said I'll drink your coffee. Sorry.
Chibuzo, please. I am not going to tell you anything, so please leave me to focus on my work. I beg. Oyana, wait. I know how you operate, so wait. Let's do it this way. Would you do it as a favor to me if I return the favor? Go on.
I don't know what you want, so tell me. Eh?
Well, it sounds good, but I don't even know what I want.
I mean, you're doing the dishes. I could help you do the dishes.
Chibuzo.
What's funny now? Savior, please.
See, between you and Jane, I don't know who is worse at trying to tempt me. that was fun. Yeah. Very, very fun.
Oh yeah, now I'll think of something better then.
Okay. Well, you can start by doing the dishes, okay? Some customers are done outside. I'll have to go and do that today. Wash.
Are you being serious? Fine. I'll do the dishes.
Perfect.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
I was thinking about you the other night. I tried the trick you showed me last time with my wife and it just wasn't the same.
You did? Oh, really? Well, maybe you are not doing it right. You know, it takes a lot of practice to get it right.
And maybe we should meet and practice it again so I can get better at it.
Oh, of course we can. Next week will be fine. But, I have quite a lot of work to do.
Oh, why?
Well, I have to do a side job because I need to gather some money to buy something.
How much is a lot?
10,000 cities.
Oh, that's a lot.
Exactly, and that's why I have to put in extra hours because I really need it.
I don't think I have that much laying around, but I'll see if I can get something together for you.
Really? Oh, sweetie, you don't have to.
Nonsense. If it means we can spend time together sooner, then it's worth it.
Ooh, fantastic. That's great. Well, I hope your wife is not listening in nearby.
Don't worry, I'm not at home.
Okay. Ooh, all right. So, I'll see you next week, and I hope to hear from you soon.
All right. I'll get it to you soon.
All right. Now I have to go. Like I said, I've got a lot of work to do. Okay. Bye. Quadon too. Welcome back.
Lately, you are here before I am.
Of course I should. I don't want anybody else thinking or having ideas about my seat.
Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. I have my eyes and mind set on more important things now.
Well, what else could be more important than me?
So, do you want to write now or later?
I'll take it now.
Chibuzo.
Yes, Ash.
I like my tea now on the side.
Okay.
Bossu!
Oh, Savior.
Bossu, is everything okay?
I'm alright. Just have a lot in my head.
Alright, Bossu. Very, very sorry. But just know, Savior, I did for you, eh? Any day, anytime, I did for you.
Were you going to say something?
Oh, yes. Some emergency levels, but I don't mean the other day emergency sound. You remember that? No. This is a different kind of emergency. Boss, you see, my mother is not feeling too well and I have to take her to see the doctor around 3:30 p.m. So I do wonder say today I will feel left work early, you know.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Savior. But as you can see, there is a lot going on around here today.
Be true.
But, however, though, if things get eased up, you can leave.
Boss! Boss, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Okay. Boss!
I wish your mom speedy recovery.
Thank you, boss. Thank you. Boss, do you want anything? You need something? No. You're good? Boss, you do.
Savior.
Chibuzo.
Yeah?
Okay, I've thought about it, and I'll finally tell you who bought those muffins for that your hello boyfriend.
Finally, thank you.
But you do something for me.
What?
You give me Ashorkor's tips.
Why now? Why do I have to do that?
Why do you have... Legally, those tips belongs to me, and you decided to steal it.
How are they your tips? She's my customer and I'm serving her now.
Oh! Then the person who bought those muffins for your boyfriend is also a regular customer, so they can buy whatever they like for whoever they like.
Is that so?
Uh-huh.
You know what? Fine. Fine. Okay. For how long?
Oh, you don't have to worry about that. It will come to an end. Everything has an end.
Okay. So, who was it?
You're a very smart girl. You think you are smart, Amma? Huh?
What?
If you give me the tips, then I give you the info. The exchange.
Are you being serious right now, Savior?
Insurance.
You, no wonder Jane says you're very annoying.
Insurance. Wait. Contract sealed.
Where did you get time to draw that contract?
You think you were smart. I'm smarter than you.
Hey.
Hey. As long as you're always smart, Amma.
Yes, it's 10,000.
CDs or dollars?
Dollars, of course.
Ashorkor, I can't get that money for you.
You can't? What do you mean you can't? Okay, so what can we do?
Maybe 20,000 cedars.
20,000. Okay, that's fine. I'll manage with that. Yeah.
All right, you'll get it tomorrow.
Oh, wow. Well, thank you, darling. Oh, thank you so much. Yes. Bye.
Everybody one day
20,000.
need somebody.
20,000.
Brother, if you lonely, reach out, cause side no be life. Sister, all the spring star. Brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life.
Your hot chocolate just the way you like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your tea.
Chibuzo, what is this?
Your tea.
Tea. I don't think this is tea. This is not tea. What is this?
I'm sorry, I thought you
You
said...
know what? When I asked for a cup of tea, I didn't ask for this. Now, go back in there and get me a proper English cup of tea. Thank you.
Yes, Ashorkor.
It's ash. Ash. Burnt wood. Ash.
Yes, ash.
What are you gonna do to get just a simple cup of tea in this place? What?
Stop treating the baristas like garbage.
My dear, I can treat them anyhow I want. They are here to serve me.
It doesn't give you the right to treat them like you do.
Well, it doesn't look like they're complaining. Are they complaining? Are you a barista yourself? You complaining right now? Are you?
Unbelievable.
Your tea, refreshed.
Good enough? Good enough.
Thanks.
But you were really sloppy this time around. Do better next time.
Yes, Ash.
Come back, come back. Wait. For him. Run along.
There you are. I have a very important appointment, okay? So I have to leave work early. If Jane asks of me, tell her I'm not around. You can give me the tips tomorrow.
I have the tips here.
Oh, good. A deal is a deal.
Sylvia, who was it?
Give me the money.
Sylvia, who was it?
Lajan.
Who was it now? Tell me.
Hoodie.
Sylvia, who
Bring the money. Oh, put the money in my hand. Bring it.
So you tell
Bring
me.
the money. I'll leave.
Wait now. Everything you fight. So who was it? Who was it now?
The same person who gave you these tips.
I'll be serious now.
I am. You think about that. I'm out.
Ashorkor.
You are late.
Sorry, some unexpected matters.
It's in your car.
Of course.
Alright, let's load it out. Let me move some stuff in the back.
Okay, open your car, let's get started.
Alright.
Let's get started.
Let's go. Everybody one day will need somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach out, cause side no be life. Sister, all that's pink star. Brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life. You for smile as you go. Screw face, no go pay the bill you for no. This life, yeah. Happy connection at the coffee shop. One-to-one tensions at the coffee shop. Friendly connections at the coffee shop. You for know, you gonna know, you for know. Coffee shop, you for know, you gonna know.
Yo,
for know. Coffee shop.
It's time to step up now. Early morning like this when you wake up now. My brother, one thing you don't forget now. Enter the coffee shop and you connect now. Happily ever after. Now you see every man is a superstar. Wild dreams on your head and you the wonder. Find someone and together you run that.
Coffee shop.
Say bonjour, hello friend. We got what each other need, make we blend. tu comprends? You understand? Merci, bring it on away.